Hey guys, welcome back. Guess what? It's time for another Goodwill haul. I know you guys love my Goodwill shop with me's. This time I did not film a shop with me. I just kind of was out and I had gone to the flea market and I went to a local church thrift store and I ran into Goodwill real quick. And I just kind of took a day to just kind of enjoy the shopping. And it was a real quick trip. So I will have more shop with me's in the future. But this one is just a haul. So I hope you still enjoy the haul. So as you can see, first up, the first thing I got was this really cute embroidered welcome sign. This has been claimed by a friend already, who I actually bought it with the intention of giving it to them because she collects crewel and cross-stitch pieces. So this is all, by the time you watch this will be winging its way to its new home in Kentucky. So that was the first item I got in the art section. I was really excited to find it. And the back is still in nice condition, not damaged. It does need a little bit of dusting. And there will be a crinkle alert because I haven't taken everything out of the bags. I just kind of put it all in the box. Then I got this like dough piece. I think it's called a dough. Like like one of those bread bowls. There is, I guess that this is wear to the lacquer on the side. But look at that, guys. I mean, if I had room for this, this screams my type of decor. I just don't have a place for it. So this is going to definitely be up in my Etsy shop. It's a beautiful piece. The bottom has a little bit of wear, but I mean, it's that engraved and like the painted florals. I did pay $4.99 for this. Because, as you guys know, Goodwill's gone up a bit. So this was $4.99 and that cross stitch was $4.99 as well. So I'll kind of give you an idea of what I've been paying for stuff. So I have been being much more selective because of that. Then this was buried in the bath section. This is just a nice, typical vintage vanity tray. It's got the old brown velvet on the back. This piece was $5.99. I've sold these before. This will get listed online for between, I think probably about like $19.99, about $20. I used to be able to get them for like $3.99, but now they've creeped up to $5.99. So about $19, $20 on this because it's just your basic oval with just your typical, it's not like a super like out there pattern or anything. It's kind of basic. It is nice that it's oval. So I think $20 plus the shipping will be fair on that. And then we got to get into the bags. This one I was so excited to find. I was like, and I meant to grab scissors. So this is a vintage cheese tray. And it has that, it's by Goodwill. And it's got the like, the kind of vegetable pattern. It's made in Japan and it looks like it's never been used, and it has the original glass cloche on it. That looks like it just has a little of like from being closed up, you know how it gets the film, but the wood looks like it's never been used. So you'd put like all your crackers around here and you'd cut your cheese on the center, and the bottom says made in Japan. And this I paid $7. I need to look it up. But this will probably go for, depending upon condition when I open it up, maybe $29.99 in my eBay and Etsy shop. I'll start it there and see how it does because it's actually got the cloche with it. And normally you'll just find the bottom. You don't find the top. Excuse me, guys. I got allergies today. Pardon me. So let's see. Ooh, this is a heavy bag. This must be the metal aisle. Oh, I went down the metal aisle and I was like, yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. I got there right at 9 a.m. as they opened. There was like 10 people waiting in front of me. And we all like, I let them all go in and get the carts. And I'm like, nothing is that important to me that I need to like plow through people. And they all dispersed and, it was just great. So yeah, this is all my metals. So these are made in Korea, probably 80s. It's a set of hanging brass frames. They're definitely solid brass because this is heavy, but it's the nice chain set. These are $4. So I'll probably list this. I need to look up comps for about 16 to 20 in my Etsy or eBay shop, because this is a really nice hanging set. So that was fun to find. I paid $4 for that. This I need to look up. This I thought was kind of cool. It's Arthur oh, now I can't read it in here. Arthur something 1990 copyright. Arthur, it looks like Coudy. Cowdy. Arthur Court 1990. But it is like, it's a metal cabbage dish with rabbits on the interior and outside. Can you guys see the rabbits? And I know Easter is over, but I thought that was just something really different. And because it's 90, it's considered vintage. I can put it in my Etsy and eBay shop. It's a real nice, it's definitely like a metal that's silver toned. It doesn't feel like a silver plate. I'm itching. But yeah, I just thought that was really cool. And it actually has a little bit of rusting in the center. So I'm going to have to look up who that is. And this was $4. So I can't give you a sample comp. But based on like what it is, I paid $4. So I'm going to want to at least ask like 15 to 20 for it. But I need to look it up because it may be worth much more being the metal and who the person was. Then I got some just your basic brass. You know, these are napkin rings, and there's a set of 8. Great boho decor, very simple piece. These were $4. I'll probably put these at 16 or something like that, 12 to 16 on eBay. That's a simple flip. I love that. Then, you know me and squirrels. This is a Taiwan. It's a squirrel nutcracker. And I'm hoping, I don't know if it's missing a piece, because there's no like sharp thing on the top, but the bottom tooth is still there. But it doesn't look like there's supposed to be anything else in there. Look at him. So I just thought that was really cute. It was $7. I think I saw these are going for about like 19 to 20 online. But I might start mine at like 25 and see what happens. I just thought that was really, really fun. I don't know why. I've always seen them in like antique malls and stuff, but I've never found one in the wild. And then my last brass item I found, I was really excited for these. And these are a nice vintage set, and there's a similar set I believe listed for $45 on eBay right now. These were $7, and they are these rose brass towel rings. So this is like solid brass on the top. This is more of like a light brass. They were $7. The other one's selling for about $40. So, you know, I'll probably put mine right up there with that. So it's fairly even. We'll see. But this was a great snag. I was excited to find these. So you guys know me. I love finding brass. And then I'm going to need y'all's help, because this was in the bag section, and I'm not sure exactly what these are. But they are definitely Christmas bulbs, but I don't think they are the type that go in the Christmas tree. I think these are the type that slip over top of, it was $3 for this whole bag. So I'm going to count them out, and I'll put it on eBay. There's a hole in the bag, of course, because someone was messing with it. So they look like they screw over into something. Can you guys see that? So I kind of need your help, because I feel like these may just go over bulbs. I'm not sure. But I thought even if someone needed some for decoration or crafting, I mean, this bag was only $3. So even if I started at, like, I don't know, like $15 auction, $12 auction, it was just fun to find those. I'm going to keep them in this bag, though, because I'm afraid they're going to fall out. And then I have one last item, and that is it for my Goodwill haul. I got through that quicker than I thought I would. Little 10-minute haul, but I'm going to try to, as I pick items, maybe like try to explain why I'm picking them or what I think I might try to list them at, just to give you guys a little more perspective on how I do things. I will say in my picking, I'm starting to get more selective. I've been doing this since I believe 2019. 2019 I started my booth. 2020 I went hardcore on my Etsy and got consistent listing for a year. We're in 2021. I got on eBay at the start of 2021. I've always been on eBay shopping, but as a reseller, I started in 2021. So I only have, what I'm telling you is only like a year and a half's worth of my experience and what I've been picking. But already I'm starting to notice a difference in what I'm picking because I'm looking at my time and the time it takes me if I got this to list online where, you know, this might be listed for 12, whereas this might be listed for 40, the difference in profit, and it's the same hour time I have each day. Do you know, that sort of thing is what I'm starting to think about more. But I have live sales, and these are great for live sales because there's no photographing, there's no listing, there's no all of that. So I will kind of try to tell you guys to make my videos a little more informative. If you want that stuff, let me know. Or if you just want me to say, hey, here's everything I got, and just do that. I'm just trying to think about how to give you more value in the videos I'm giving you. So my last item I got purely for aesthetic reasons because I absolutely loved it. And it is 1976 PG Kramer. It's a Kramer mold, 1976, done by PG, and it's this beautiful, tall, black urn with white roses. It's a white rose decal, white and gray, and the aesthetic of it, oh man. I didn't notice. You guys may not be able to see it. It's really not noticeable, but there's a chip on the under rim right here that has been touched up with black matte paint. So that just kind of was a major bummer. I didn't notice that when I grabbed it, or I probably would have left it behind. Can you guys see that right there, maybe? I don't know if you guys are going to be able to pick that up because it's hard on the black. But it's like right here. So even if you have it laid this way, you don't see it if you're using this side. But this piece did cost $6. So I'm going to have to rethink that now. But otherwise, it's a beautiful piece still. And it actually has a little signature by the rose motif. But someone might still enjoy this piece. That's just a shame because now that decreases the value. And whereas I might have listed this as like a $40 to $50 piece, it's probably going to be like in the $20 range or less now. Just because it is damaged. That's a shame. What a way to end the video. But that is it, guys. That is my haul. Let me know what your favorite item was, what you thought, what you might have left, all that good stuff. So if you liked the video, remember to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, guys, and I'll be back with you soon.